Development of chest in children. Why do you need to know? Firstly, infants and children develop motor skills. It is crucial to know how and why these movements affect the chest and breathing. Secondly, infants with limited ability to move and counteract gravity may have increased risk of respiratory infections. Thirdly, it is vital to understand the development to build observations in clinical practice. Lastly, the changes helps us to understand certain treatment aspects better. Starting from development of chest in children from newborn. Points to note: the newborn is totally flexed in utero, presents at birth with a very tight anterior chest wall. Respiratory accessory muscles have not yet developed an optimal length-tension relationship to move the chest wall or head. So, newborn is unable to expand the chest in all the three planes of respiration, particularly the anterior plane of the upper chest. There is a single plane of respiration that is inferior. The respiratory rate is higher, that is more than 40 breaths per minute. The shape of the chest in newborn is triangular in the frontal plane, circular in the anteroposterior plane. The size of the thorax occupies 1/3 of the chest cavity. Ribs are evenly horizontal. Intercostal spacing are narrow, which limits movement of thoracic spine and trunk. In the muscles, the diaphragm is adequate, which is minimal dome-shaped, and accessory muscles are non-functional. At 3 to 6 months, the shape of the chest starts to change from triangular to rectangular in the frontal plane. There is constant stretching and upper extremity weight bearing, which improves anteroposterior and lateral upper chest stabilization. Ribs are still horizontal and the child breathes in more than one plane. There is maturation of the extensor tone throughout the trunk. Child begins to reach out, thereby developing agonist and antagonist relationship of the upper extremity muscle groups. Intercostal and pectoralis muscle strength increases. At 6 to 12 months, the majority of the chest development occurs when the child starts assuming erect postures such as sitting, kneeling, or standing. The thorax occupies more than half of the chest cavity. Ribs rotate downward, creating sharper angle of the ribs. There is wider rib spacing. Abdominal muscle activation, gravity's influence, and increased postural demands results in increased intercostal muscle activation. More than 1 year. The shape of the chest is rectangular in the frontal view and elliptical in the transverse view. The size of the thorax occupies more than half of the chest cavity. Ribs are angled with wider rib spacing. There is effective muscle stabilization of the lower rib cage with the abdominal muscles. All the characteristics are similar to adult-like chest.